Ya Ali Madad, Aga Khan Economic Planning Board for USA presents to the Jamaat of Florida the information regarding re-employment benefits, how this information can be accessed, who are eligible for it, and how can you apply for this. Disclaimer: due to the current situation, the filing process or requirement may change at any given time. It is important that you check Florida Department of Economic Opportunities webpage for up-to-date information. What is re-employment assistance? It is the same thing as unemployment insurance, which is rebranded now, and it is known as re-employment assistance, which is there to provide temporary financial benefit to the eligible workers who lost their jobs through no fault of their own. Government has now made the process of applying easier for individuals who are on unpaid leave during quarantine. There are only two steps to apply for it. Step 1, apply for benefits. Step 2, claim weekly benefits for each week you were unemployed. This is the step you will apply for every 2 weeks. If you will not, then you won't get paid for that time. Next, who is eligible to receive benefits? Following two things should be in a single claimant. First, individuals who worked and has been paid for in the past 18 months. And second, individuals who have lost their job through no fault of their own, willing and able to work and are actively looking for work. Here are a few things you're going to need in order to apply. Social security number, driver's license or state ID number, your employment for last 18 months including for each employer. You're going to need the name, address, and phone number of the places that you've worked for in the last 18 months, first and last date of work, gross earning, which is before taxes are taken out, reasons for separation, FEIN number, and if you do not have FEIN number, you can take the details from your recent pay stub, and if you're a non-US citizen, you will be required to type in your alien registration number. So here's how you're going to apply for re-employment assistance. First, you're going to type in floridajobs.org, which will bring you to the website of Florida Department of Economic Opportunity. Please make sure that there is this logo over here. Scroll down on this page and click on where it says click here. Next to the re-employment assistance benefits, you click on that page. If you are a recurring user, then you can type in your email address and your password here. And if you are a new user, you are going to click on over here which says new user. Here you're going to fill out this form. Once you've filled out the form, you're going to click on register and then log in. And then this is going to require you to log in back immediately. Once you're logged in, it will immediately ask you to change your password that you just created. So please go ahead and do that. Once it's all set, we move forward. On the left-hand corner where it says new, you click on that, click on claim, and then the application begins. The application is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All the information that it asks you pertains to you, so you have the knowledge of everything that it's been asked. So please take a deep breath and fill it out, and it's going to be very easy and very simple. In the end, do not forget to click on submit button and it will submit it for you automatically. After you fill out the application and you turn it in, you come back to this page. One thing I want to bring to your attention is that on this very same page, at this bottom left-hand corner, it talks about everything that you need to know about the re-employment assistance. This is the connect that we just worked on. You're going to click on this link and it will take you to the same page that you were on before. Um, Frequently asked questions is something if you, during the application, if you have any questions or concerns, all the information is provided over here. For example, general, you just come down, you click on every, like you look at everything, all the questions are answered here. Please make sure that you always check this website first. So under filing your claim, they have made some updates. So it is very important that you always come to this website and check if there has been any changes or not. It's the best practice and it will always keep you updated. Then the next thing over here is for the claimants. Um, it is once again, it's a very awesome thing to look at. Before filling out your application, you can take a look at this video over here. One more thing that I wanted to point out was to this adjudication. It is a very good video over here for you to look at. It will tell you more about what's going to happen further in the process, and if something further is asked from you, then how you go about it. If during the process you have to make an appeal, then there is further information over here on the left hand corner. And if during the process you're required to turn in more paperwork or you have to show more proofs, then all the other information is provided to you over here. So if you have any questions or concern, you can see on the bottom right hand corner, there is a assistance box over here. You can click on that, or you can click on the main page over here on the Reemployment Assistant Contact, and you can actually get the questions answered through here as well. Or you can call at our Access helpline at 1-844-55-ACCESS. Once again, that is 1-844-55-ACCESS. Thank you, and ya Ali Madad.